Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will like to present our paper. My name is Rudi Shanto, and then Mohnisam Hussein, and then Aditya Lazis, and then Wichi Lestari, and then Erliani Hasana from Malaysian Institute of Information Technology University Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and Faculty of Computer Science Duta Bangsa University Surakarta, Indonesia. Our paper with title Clustering of Student Perception on Developing a Physics Laboratory Based on Information Technology and Local Wisdom. In the International Conference on Information Technology, Computer and Electrical Engineering 2021. Okay, let's to introduction. The COVID outbreak is driving distance education on unprecedented scale. This condition presents a special challenge for learning related to experiments such as physics. Various alternatives to learning physics during a pandemic, such as a remote lab, home experiment, simulation, and have been carried out. Home experiment get a positive feedback from students like fun and the great. Although some say the equipment limitation was difficult. Research conducted by Turner and Parisi result in that the home experience can strengthen the concept that physics is integral part of daily life. And the home experiment will certainly be an alternative of learning physics in the future, which is driven by pandemic condition. The home experiment can be supported in the portable laboratory model because of the characteristic of the portable laboratory that allows students to complete experiment at home based on their own time, and because can take home laboratory equipment from campus. The home experiment is very close to the social culture condition in the student environment. Social culture can also be called local wisdom in Indonesia. Husna define local wisdom as knowledge value in society that have been tested validity in the typical local context. These values have been passed down from generation to generation and are useful in everyday life. The value of local wisdom are also development in teaching material or learning media. The many study about the integration of local wisdom in teaching and learning so it can support learning and improve the student ability. The study will describe about the perception of the development of physics laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom using qualitative approach. Okay, we go to method, participant, and instrument. Data were collected from 227 men and 24 women in the first year undergraduate school at Duta Bangsa University, Surakarta, Indonesia. The instrument in this study was questionnaire with 10 questions with answer in the form of Likert scale, with one is strongly agree and then disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. Question 1 to 5 related to student perception of the use of laboratory and the ICT in the physics learning. And then question 6 to 10 related to student perception in the development of physical laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom. The result of the validity test are above the value of the R table, which show that all questions are valid, and the validity test value show a good rating. And then data collection and analysis also in the method. The data collection in the study was carried out online using Google Form with 10 questions with answer option according to the Likert scale. The analysis used in the research in cluster analysis with data mining method using K-mean algorithm process with rapid miner. And then data input 221 object with 10 attribute, and then K-mean use to 3 cluster, and then cluster analysis is cluster 0, cluster 1, and then cluster 2. Then the result and discussion. Table 1 is descriptive statistic from the data obtained from the questionnaire, the minimum and then maximum, mean, and the standard deviation value from the calculation using IBM SPSS statistic. From the table 1, we know that the average answer to the question has a value above 4. From the data, the number of clusters determined to be 3 within the perception they are the neither agree and the strongly agree. And then the result and discussion. Student perception about the use of laboratory and information technology in basic learning can be seen from the question 1 to 5. The graph we can see in the right side. Based on the cluster result, we was found that 101 students or 45.70% strongly agree, and then 78 students or 35.29% agree, and then 22 students or 19.1% were neutral to use laboratory and information technology in learning basic. And then from the graph, we know this is graph about the student perception about laboratory development and information technology in basic learning from question 6 to 10. Based on the result of the cluster, we found that 103 students or 46.61% agree, and then 22 students or 28.5% were neutral, and then 26 students are 56 students are 10 to 5.34% agree to development basic laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom. This result, the integration of information technology and local wisdom make it possible to develop with new type of basic laboratory to facilitate better student learning in pandemic era. The candidate for new type of basic laboratory is portable laboratory. The clustering result also showed that the 80.99% of students agree and strongly agree with the use of laboratory and information technology in learning basic. This is positively correlated with the result of clustering related to the student perception about the development of basic laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom that 71.95% of students agree and strongly agree. The result of the clustering indicate that the student perception regarding the use and development of information technology based on physics laboratory mostly agree and strongly agree. More especially, the student agreed to develop a portable laboratory integrate with local wisdom. And then the next is conclusion and the future future vision. Student perception about the use of laboratory and information technology in the basic learning have a positive correlation with student perception about the development of a basic laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom. The result of the clustering indicate that the student perception regarding the use and the development of basic laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom mostly agree and strongly agree. For future work, basic laboratory based on information technology and local wisdom will be developing. The candidate for new type of basic laboratory is a portable laboratory because it has the following characteristic: allow students to take home laboratory equipment to complete experiment on their own time, and then a small in dimension, and then adaptable for being used in various place and classroom, and also low cost. This reference, and the last is thank you